Okay, so first student got to the graphing. So we have y equals negative x squared plus 2x. And they give you the table. So for the rest of y'all, I want you to just stop on your problem and put this in y equals or in Desmos. Either way, it's up to you. So we have to let's know which point is the vertex. So I'm gonna let y'all put that in the calculator and I'm gonna show you why. First off, are we graphing a line?
Yes.
No, we're graphing a quadratic equation. So our quadratic equation is a parabola. So if you graph it by, so the 3, negative 3, so I go over x is 3 and down to negative 3, I can put a check. And then 1 and 1, I may or may not got the correct graph. Did I get the correct graph?
No. Wait.
Probably not.
No, I don't think so.
I'm gonna go to y equals, and that is negative, and look, it's nearly the same as my other students. Right here, I'm gonna change that to a negative. And if you're on the calculator, if you're on your calculator, you have to do second insert, which is above delete, to be able to do what I just did, and then move around with your arrows. But this is calculate 84, which is another app. So 6 is where my graph is, so I'm gonna graph it. So did I get the correct graph? No. So on your notes, if you remember the last 2 questions I asked, what is the first thing that we have to graph? The vertex. We gotta graph the vertex first. So our vertex is not at 3, negative 3. It has to be at 1 and 1 because it's above the x-axis. So you're going to make a point at 1 and 1. And let's say you were over to the left or to the right a little bit. You don't have to delete it. You can use the arrows and your points will move. Okay, but once you got it where you want it, 1 and 1, you press check. That's my first point. And then I'm going to do 3 and negative 3. And there's my second point. And then when I have it correct, I can hit check. Okay? And then you're going to be answering the same questions as we've done. So again, I would recommend answering them in this order. I like to know what my, and it goes y-intercept first. So y-intercept, x-intercept. So what's the y-intercept? So again, we can answer it as ordered pair or just a number.
0.
0. Very good. So hit 0 and check. Okay. Good job. And then my x-intercept is?
2.
How many are there? 2 of them. So you have 1 at 2. So 2, comma, what?
0.
0. Exactly. Okay. And then when you move up to the next one, you can't see it, but you need to know what it is. So my range, is it going up or going down?
Down.
Down. So it's going to be y is less than equal to. Very good. The y value of the vertex, which is
1.
1. Yeah. So it starts at 1 and goes down. And then last, did you hit check? Perfect. And then axis symmetry is x equals. So push x equals. The x value of the vertex.
Which would be
At
2. Wait.
No.
No.
Because remember, it's
1.
going to 1. The it's going to split the parabola in half. And
Oh,
got that correct. Very good. X equals 1.